Okay, so I need to drill a little hole. Drill a little hole in the roof of the van. It's good. Hello everybody. Today's job is to mount the solar panel onto the roof. What we're going to do is attach it to the unistrut, put it on the roof, and then we can drill the hole for the gland and fit the gland and the wiring and everything all in one step. So let's go get it done. The panel is a big one. 290 watt Suntech, yeah, Suntech panel. I'll put a link to it in the description down below. We're going to fit it lengthways, so it'll go from the front to the back of the van. But yeah, just need to bolt these brackets up. I bought some unistrut brackets from CEF. I had to cut them down, so I've etch primed them and painted them black. Drilled some 8mm holes in the side of here, in the sides of the panels, so I can fit 8mm bolts through. And now I'm just going to fit these brackets, and then I can take it around the front and lay it on top of the panel. On top of the rack, sorry. I've measured out roughly the spacing that we need for the rack, and it still leaves us quite a bit of space at the back of the van. So I'll bolt this up now and take it out front. Okay, I've got 40mm high tensile bolts, penny washers like I used for the bolting the rack down itself. Goes through the bracket that way. And I've got a spring washer and a lock nut.
Sausage. You know, puppy. Come here, sausage. Who is it?
All of them.
Alright.
The only way you might be able to revive it is to put some kindling on it. Kindling on. Join me on the roof. Ellie's down there because she's scared of heights. So basically I've got to do this. So yeah, with the unistrut, all you have to do is line up these brackets with the centre of the of this, and then use the clamps, the brackets that I've got in my pocket somewhere, I have, to mount it all down with. Easy as that, basically. This is Ellie shiting herself. She's one step away. She's one step. It's not. She's one step. She's not even one step up. Are you on the bottom rung?
Yeah.
Worst that's happening, you're gonna fall at bush.
No, but there's concrete there.
Yep.
Look, right. I know it doesn't. I don't like it. I like it.
Go on, one more. Go on. Face your fear. Fear factor.
My legs are tense. Don't mock me, it's not fair.
So look at that and don't worry about what's going on.
Right.
Okay. So.
Right here.
Yeah. What can you see? Can you see this channel?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So with these are the grip parts that we're on about. You drop them in, and you can twist them if you can grab them, and they lock into place. They've got like teeth in them. Show you another one.
Oh, the van's moving.
They've got teeth in them. So when you tighten the bolt up, it grips into the bottom of this rail. So you put your bolt and your washer through, get your little nut through there, and try and do it all with 3 fingers.
So I can rest it on the van. of you going, oh, we'll put a deck on the roof, we can sit on the roof. Yeah.
Yeah, alright, yeah. I can sit on the roof. Look at all the space that's left. Look at all this room for activities. We could put another solar panel on here.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh. What you doing?
See what?
What you doing?
Putting the gland up. Gland. How much of it can you see?
Nothing.
Can you see it from... I just don't want to put it somewhere and you're going, that looks fucking shit there.
Well, how am I supposed to see it? I'm down here.
Walk round the van, that's what I'm saying.
What are you talking about?
Right, so this is going to stick out on the roof of the van. I love horses.
Best of all the animals.
So this is going to be on top of the van, yeah?
Right.
It looks shit. Yeah?
I could have told you that.
So, can you see it anywhere? Does it look turd?
No.
Right, I can't find it. It can go there. That's all I wanted. That's what I wanted was, no, I can't see it. So I can stick it there and not have to worry about it looking crap. If we do a little hole first, lickle-ish anyway, that sort of size. So that's probably going to come through where there's insultation.
So do you want me to be on this side?
Yeah. I'll have to take this square down, I think.
So you're making sure that it... Well, what a waste of bloody time.
It was a waste of bloody time, wasn't it? So there's one of the ribs up. So it wants to be in that piece there, doesn't it?
Ideally, yeah.
So if I drill this way through it. Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh my god, daylight.
Daylight! Oh my god. Drilling a big hole that'll fit into. Put that in so it doesn't catch, so the wires don't catch on it.
Okay.
And then the cap goes over the top. That white cap, the gland, goes over the top and the wires poke out of it and it all seals together.
Right.
What could possibly go wrong?
It will leak.
There's that. That could go wrong. Ooh. 12 quid for one grommet. That's good, isn't it? Where is it? I thought you'd lost it then. We've mounted the solar panel up. We've pushed it towards the front, but Ellie's whinging.
I don't understand why.
So we're going to move it back. Not because of that, but one reason I needed it further forward so I could actually get to this bit. There's a grumpy face whenever you've seen one. But I had it in my mind that it'd be better at the front and have the wires trailing, but after Elle's made the point that he's going to have flapping wires on the roof, we're going to pull it back a bit. The drill ain't got the mustard. Let's go get a different drill.
Turn the screen on. Can you see me? Put it right up to it.
Oh yeah, I can see you. Peekaboo. There she is. You're just bending it. Oh, you've bust my thing.
What's it?
You bust my tool. Fuck's sake.
Honestly.
Honestly, I can't have anything. All the gear, no idea.
That's Philip.
What do you mean? I know what I'm doing. It's you. I can't open a bloody tin of pien.
Shut your mouth.
Where are you going to drop that?
On your face.
grab your finger. Poke your finger through again then. Man, don't go through far enough. My finger's too fat. So I'm only going to silicone this down. I'm not going to...
Check your ring.
Check your ring. Check your ring. Solid advice from Apple there. Make sure your ring is checked. Anyway, as you saw, all I've done is put a bead of silicone round the... We're using the Sikaflex 522 again. Put a bead of it round the gland, put the cables through, and then pressed it down. I've not squeezed it down as such, just put some weight on it so it's squeezed out around the edge, and then tried to... Fuck off, everybody, what's with all that noise? As soon as you start saying something, everyone drives past. Arseholes everywhere. Yeah. Put a bit of silicone around the actual gland itself, put it down, press it down so it squeezes out. Don't squeezing it all out as such, but just sort of pressing it down. Then run... What are you doing? Then run your finger around it to smooth out the edge, to try and seal it all up. I think we'll leave that maybe 15-20 minutes or so, just to set a bit better. Then I can put the glands on the end of it, the threaded bits on. Then I can worry about crimping up the connectors.